Hey guys, so what we got here is a 36-inch Four Seasons Galaxy spinner ceiling fan. I got this fan from Alex the Fan Man back in July. Um, I installed this fan back in July and meant to do a video of it for a while. But I just never got around to it because so much has been going on lately. Now I thought it would be a good time to get around to it. So, yeah. Anyways, without any further ado, let's begin a demonstration. Here's a low. This fan has a lot of bad bearings. Pretty much rumbles the ceiling, actually. Like you can really hear it. It's really loud already on low. All right. Here's a medium. You can hear the bearings are starting to get really loud now. It's starting to wobble a bit now. It starts to wobble on medium. It's making some more noise as well. All right, anyways, here's high. Oh yeah, noise is starting to get a lot worse now. It's rumbling the ceiling. And it's wobbling a bit more now. Blows a good amount of air. Yeah, blows a ton of air. Powerful fan. Alright, well anyways, here's spin down. Yeah, the noise continues when the fan is spinning down. Like I can just hear the noise rumbling the ceiling. So yeah, these fans are huge childhood fans for me. I saw a couple of these in some rooms at a resort in one of the villas. They also had some white ones in there as well on ball sockets. And some classics as well, though I thought the classics, there were Four Seasons classics. I thought the classics, like there was a separate villa near there that was for the staff, and I saw they had classics in those ones through the windows, but I searched up on the resort's website when they showed one of the rooms. It had a classic, so I guess there were some rooms in that villa that also had classics as well. But yeah, I remember they also had these galaxies as well. I went into one room that had one because, well, we were staying there for the next year. Yeah, we were looking at one of the room. It had this Four Seasons Galaxy in brown, and when I was in there, I turned it on even. It was on a control. But unfortunately, when we actually stayed in that villa, the rooms we stayed in, the fans got removed. So that was really sad. But I still saw one of these through the window for the room next to the one where the fan got removed. But yeah, they also have white galaxies as well on ball sockets. I just saw photos recently from the resort's website, and yeah, I didn't know what they were, and they were. And now I remember they're white galaxies on ball sockets. I wasn't sure if they were spinners or Monegos, but yeah, they're white ones. Anyways, it's time for reverse now. Here it is on high. Oh dear, it wobbles more on high. On reverse. I think I'm gonna make this demo quick. Alright, high. Oh dear, I hear the canopy. I think it's gonna fall. Alright, that's high. There's medium. So yeah, just recently I found photos on the resort's website. Yeah, they showed the rooms of this villa, and I remember looking through the window when I was there, and there were white spinners. And at this point I couldn't remember if they were galaxies or white galaxies or Monegos or white spinners. But when I saw the picture, they were white galaxies on ball sockets. And I saw another picture where it showed a room with this kind of galaxy, and it was this one with the two pull chains. I thought they were the ones with the box control, but it turns out they're these kind. I don't know what control they were on then. I can't remember. I remembered it being on like a 3 or like a 4-speed control. I remember that's what it was. And here's low. See, I just looked at the picture. I remember seeing it. Yeah, it was black, so it might have been a black control of a black knob. But when the rooms of the fans were removed, the faceplates were there with a hole. But I guess, yeah, that's where the control came in. I don't know why they got removed for it. I was really sad. It's too bad I got those rooms. If I stay there again, I better make sure to get a room with a fan in it. Yeah. But those rooms actually recently did remodel, but thankfully they kept the fans. So yeah. And also so this version has the brass switch cap, and two pull chains, one for speeds and one for reverse. The other model that has a brown switch cap is the one that has no speed pull chain and has the 5-speed box control. It has reverse chain though, but no speed chain. It's the 5-speed box control. This model has the brass switch cap and speed pull chain. I mean, I like this. I like these fans. They're a huge childhood for me. If you don't know, Four Seasons is a Quebec brand. It was in Montreal. Four Seasons. That's where they were from, Montreal, Quebec. So they're very common there. I mean, if any of you saw my videos from Montreal with Alex the Fan Man and Brian Fan 17, we saw a lot of Four Seasons fans when we were there. So yeah, and Jean has lots of Four Seasons fans as well. He has Galaxies, and yeah, he has a Galaxies, and he has a Monego. Monaco and Classic as well. So yeah, there's a Four Seasons sticker on here, but you can't see it from this side though. It's on the switch housing. Yeah, just some information there. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this yet, the blades have stencil on them. I don't think I did mention it, but yeah, there's stencil on the blades as well. And let's turn it off. Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.